Say, fellas, I gotta tell you about this. You see, I'm standing in my doorway, looking at the rain falling, and I saw this lady walking down the street, no hat, no coat. Yes, I tried to help. I said, "Miss, what's the matter?" This was her reply: "I'm just walking in the rain, thinking about my life and things. I didn't know the rain was falling. You see, my heart is full of pain. I never felt like this before. Hope I never feel like this no more. Out here walking in the rain. Don't mind me if I start crying, 'cause I got a lot of things on my mind. You are getting wet, go back inside. You can't help, Lord knows I tried. Don't pity me, I know it's a shame, but I only have myself to blame. Out here walking in the rain." She said, "Don't try and tell me what's wrong with me, because you couldn't possibly know. You see, I've had those mixed up emotions, suffered, misery, but I never felt like this before. I'll just keep walking in the rain. I'm so confused I can't explain. I'm about to cry, I feel so blue. Nobody knows what I'm going through. I'm just in love, some people say, but I'm not happy being this way. Out here walking in the rain. I'll give thanks for your concern, but the shame I've had you'll never learn. I must be alone trying to understand. I've got to do the best I can. I guess in you I seem in fear. Being in this rain hides the tears. I'll just keep walking in the rain, yes.